Hey everyone, welcome to our video on the Bybit Referral code. If you're ready to jump into cryptocurrency trading and want to unlock amazing benefits, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how using the referral code 82500 can enhance your trading experience and reward you and your friends. So, what exactly is a Bybit Referral code? It's a unique code that allows you to invite others to join the Bybit platform. When someone signs up using your code, both of you can enjoy fantastic rewards. This is a great way to earn while helping others explore the exciting world of crypto trading. By entering the referral code 82500 during registration, new users can access incredible bonuses. This includes a welcome bonus that can be as high as $30. Imagine starting your trading journey with extra funds. It's like getting a head start in a race. Here's how to get started. 1. Sign up. Go to the Bybit website or app and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details and make sure to enter the referral code 82500 during registration. 2. Verify your account. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Click it to activate your account and get ready to trade. 3. Explore your rewards. Once logged in, head over to the rewards section in your account. Here, you'll find all the bonuses available to you after using the referral code. Now, let's talk about those rewards. For every friend who signs up using your code, you earn additional bonuses based on their trading activity. The more friends you refer, the more you earn. It's truly a win-win situation. Sharing is easy. Spread the word about Bybit and your referral code 82500 through social media or messaging apps. The more people you invite, the greater your rewards. In conclusion, using the Bybit referral code 82500 not only boosts your own trading experience, but also helps others join a vibrant community with exciting bonuses. So why wait? Start sharing today and watch your rewards grow. Happy trading!